Power target trades, power trigger trade.
Okay, I got another great video here. GME win. Posted this May 17th pre-market. GME, I liked this, but I wanted to see the pre-market info. Now I have a special plan for this. If power can come into this. This should pay a quick 100%. This is the first time I see an advantage since we won massive on the last plan. Now that plan, I'm going to post that in this video for you to take a look at. It was more of a sunshine time, right? It's the same ideas. We hold with skill, we hold with rules. I identify movements, we take action, we make the dollar bills with skills. This is nothing like the first plan. This massive wins. We're talking about $700 to $10K per option. Nice gains. Check out that video. Anyways, people, let's see what I said here. So I'm going to go into this video here quickly. You can see here, this is May the 14th. Based on the May 14th close. This was the 170 calls were $425. Those are the arrows, but this is GME set to test 183 to 190 quickly. The May 21 170 calls is what we'll use. GME needs to break 167 on some power for us to enter into this. Behold, let's see what happened, right? Let me get into this quickly here, okay? So, give me a second here. But again, you can see this was based on the May 14th close. 170 calls, the close was $425 per option. So you can see May 17th. GME, I have buy stops at 740 for the May 21 170 calls. This will be the right power for us to get into it. Here it is. GME confirming with the May 21 170 calls at 7.72. There's a spread. That's what it cost with the spread. $772. GME, what we want to see is this building above 165, taking out 172. If we can do that, then the short-term trend is to test 183 to 190 quickly. I will update the facts when needed, but this is what we want to watch for now. So basically, from start to end, hold, the profits, name it. Power trade does it all. All right then. And this was a hold. We held, we sold on May 17th, but one of the stories. So anyways, GME. So it didn't just run right away, right? I am placing stops at 390. I am expected to sell these options at 15 to 20 per all, if the rules are followed. Well, we'll see how things turned out. Never went near things, but I do what it takes to succeed. Have to hold the correct way if you want the dollar bills with skills. There's no sugarcoating anything. It's the facts. Study, study, study. It's the same thing year after year after year. Grinding with skill. Year after year after year. What you lack. You lack. Ha ha. Stock clowns. I'm to help those serious for success. You've got to grind with skill. Year after year after year, we succeed with skill. Anyways, people. Let's see what here. GME looking good once again. All step by step, showing what real skill is all about. This should work out well, but it's all about grinding. The first GMA trade was huge. I would hate to miss that one. Thankfully, I just follow my rules and catch all the big wins. It's the best way. Explaining mentality, mindset, the discipline, the identification skills. You need it all to succeed in the market long term. Most people lack skills big time. All facts. Don't know how to do anything. Power trick or trade. You study my channel. If you're tired of being a loser, a clown, listen to what I'm telling you. I'm going to give you instructions in this video. I tell it how it is. I don't sugarcoat nothing. Power trick or trade. All right then. Yes, pullbacks can happen. But what if it does not pull back? You gotta just follow the rules, right? The biggest wins don't pull back, but it's a market. And the minute you think you are going to outsmart the market, you get smashed and you miss. When you miss massive gains, it's disastrous. It's worse than losers. Power to trade. Comprende? I give the mindset, the study, the focus, the power to succeed. Most people are failure losers because they cannot grind with skill. I lay it out, plan step by step, power to trade style. All right there. Here again, step by step. Okay, I'm just talked about other things that are not in this sense. So, all right. So I'm up 6K with 18 options, selling 6 at 12.30 for the May 12, for the May 21 170 calls. And then look to sell 6 more at 15 and higher. Okay. So here it is, May 17. GME, I just sold 2 more options at 14.50 and 2 more at 13. So I'm holding 6 runners. So this is what happened. I basically banked a 6K in gains and holding 6 runners. However, due to the massive chop on the 18th, basically we got stopped out. I'm going to show you, and then we'll go to the charts. You can see here I said not bad for one day, smart work, real skill. All right then. So basically we were going to go for higher prices. Unlike the first plan, it kept running. This is a market, but it was very strong on May 18th. Got stopped out and even went higher. We got stopped out. Let me show you. So basically what I said on May the 18th, GME, I suggest stops at 9 for the May 21 170 calls, because if the stops hold and the power does come in later, the gains can be great. But we need stops due to the time. GME just too bullish. However, if they keep it above 172, we can hold that. Our stops are at 12 as GME is at 170 because pre-market was down, okay? So May 18th stopped out at 820 for profits in GME. A great win. Shia did really well with GME. Sent me $1,000. Says, Sandro, I wish I had overslept with GME. Nevertheless, a very profitable trade. Thank you. Power ticker trade. Step by step. Power ticker trade. All right, so here we are in the charts. So basically, this was the 14th, which was Friday, right? And as you can see, we opened at 160. We had a high of 182.50, okay? So we had 70 call, the May 17, 170 calls. So we were $12 in the money. We opened up 174. We hit a high of 189. So we practically hit the targets today due to the pullback in the markets, but that's another story. Let's go to the options chain. All right, these are the charts for the May 17, for the May 17 170 calls. Oh, sorry, it's May 21. Sorry, May 21. Okay, the May 21 170 calls. You can see the box. Okay, look at the box. Okay, so on the 14th, you can see that this is an options chart of how the options move. Okay, you see the open was 740, the high 842, low 390, and then the close for the 14th of May was 425, like I showed you. Then on Monday the 17th, the open was 425, the high 1729, the low 398, 383, the close 1475. So we took some good profits that day. On this day here, we opened at 10. We got stopped out. As you can see, the low was 650, but the high was $2,100 per option. It'll close at 1340. Nonetheless, in this choppy, crazy market, what a great plan. What a great winner. That's what we do year after year after year. Again, look at the box I just showed you all the facts. Here's the 17th, in detail. Nobody, and I mean nobody, shows the details like Power Checker Trade, because we grind with skill year after year after year. This is a serious business. If you're going to be a clown, you're not going to last long. Okay, I've been doing this year after year after year, succeeding in all market conditions. It's a grind for skill. I tell it how it is. All right, welcome to Power Checker Trade. Confirmation is key. If you're serious to become a member, study this pinned tweet video. Listen, I don't just take anybody. If you can't follow instructions, you're a clown, you're a loser, you aren't going to do very well. I tell people to study, click that video, and study my YouTube channel. Okay? At the end of this video, you're going to see an icon. Simply click on it. It's going to get you to see these icons that show up on my screen. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. There's a link to my YouTube channel. Go there. Study the created playlist. Study the newest videos. Study, study, study. I look forward to helping those serious for success. Don't forget to like the video.